All right, you guys, so I got some half and half. I'm about to put a whole stick of butter in here, and I'm about to put this cream cheese in here, and I'm gonna let it melt. Now while it's in here and everything's melting and going together, I'm gonna go ahead and put my little seasonings in here. So as always, gotta put the complete in. A little bit of adobo because I don't want it to be salty. And that was like a half a teaspoon, and then a half a teaspoon of pepper. Don't want to put too much pepper in it because you don't want it to be too peppery. Now I'm gonna put in a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. Now that's gonna give it the pizzazz it needs. It's gonna go well with that jambalaya shrimp that we just did. So now that it's all melting, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it so everything can get a good nice stir. And it's gonna be that southern creamy grits. Now we are gonna top it off with that sharp cheddar cheese. But for right now, we just got this in there, stirring it, letting it all melt. So I'm gonna start putting water. I'm gonna slowly start putting the water in. I'm gonna start out with just 16 ounces. The other 16 ounces, I'm gonna pour in gradually as I add the grits. All right, you guys, so it is now boiling. I'm about to add the grits. I'm gonna stir it. Now I don't like lumpy grits, so I told you I was gonna stir. I was gonna add the water as needed. Pour the rest of it in here. No, it's gonna get thicker than this. I gotta turn it down because it's starting to bubble up. That was about a teaspoon. A little bit more adobo. Not putting too much in there because I don't want it to be too spicy, considering it's gonna go over the grits. It's gonna be underneath the shrimp. We'll just gotta work those seasonings through the grits. Add more water. So this was a whole thing of grits. 1, 2, just in top 1 tube of grits. Turn out. Let's say this is at a good consistency. It's nice and creamy. Now I'm gonna get this cheese, put over in it, disappear. That was 12 slices all together we put in here. And we're just gonna keep stirring. All right, you guys, so this is at the end. If nobody told you they love you, just remember God loves you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe We still on our road to 500 subscribers. Hit that subscription button. Hit that notification bell so when I drop a new video and it's time for you to feed your family, you know Rena Mae's got you. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like. Let me know what you want in these comments. Your girl is doing it for 2023. No other than Rena Mae's Kitchen. Holla!